Alright, drag race is it. Alright. Same rules, going back and forth, okay? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
I can't control it. It can't go even left or right. This thing that only goes straight.
Oh, there you go. Nice. Back it up,
Okay,
man.
this is not good. I need to change how this
Come on. I control mine, you're fine.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Shit.
Come on. Still I can make it. Just shut up, Nos. No, it doesn't. Fly, baby, fly. I think I can fly with this thing.
I win.
Oh! Almost got a crash. This is like the fastest RC car right now in history. You win with the tank?
Hell yeah. I went with a motherfucking tank. Who the fuck rock?
Damn. Can I sit on it?
Tank? Yeah, go ahead.
Let's see how fast the tank is. Let's see.
Pretty fast, man.
Nigga, this shit is fast as shit! This shit does not even have a wheel. The wheel doesn't turn. It's like flying like UFO or something. Holy shit. Oh! It's a cheat.
Yeah.
The outside wheel is only like just for show. It only has like 4 wheels actually. It's like a car. Ooh, look at that. It's not 240, 260. Okay. 280. What do you like about that? It's so fast. Woo, I can beat you, yeah. Yeah, this shit is fast. This shit is faster than I expected. That shit is not fast whatsoever.
Goodbye, world.
Carson, are you still loading or something? Cause you look like Alright, this is the end of this video. See you guys next time. Guys out.